Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 1. Today our topic is addition. Today we will deal page number 60 and 61. After watching this lesson, students will be able to do addition. Add 3 numbers. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to do page number 60, adding 3 numbers. Look at these sums. The numbers are added in a different order, but the answer remains the same. This is because the same numbers are added. Now I'm going to do question number 1 of page 60. Add these, use the number line. So let's add these 3 numbers. In addition, using number line we do forward counting. That's why to add 9 into 5 we have to jump 9 times ahead from 5. So let's jump 9 times ahead from 5. Let's jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what number comes? Yes, 14. That means 9 plus 5 equals to 40. Now we have to add one more in 14 and have to jump one more time. Let's jump 1. So what number comes? Yes, 15. That means 9 plus 5 equals to 14 and 14 plus 1 equals to 15. So the number comes 15. Let's do part B. Here we have to add 1 into 9 with the help of number line. Here we have to jump one time ahead from 9. So let's jump 1. Do you know what number comes? Yes, 10. That means 9 plus 1 equals to 10. Now in 10 we have to add 5 more. So let's jump 5 times ahead from 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what number comes? Yes, 15. The number comes 15. Now let's do part C. In this we have to add 5 into 1. That means we have to jump 5 times ahead from 1. So let's start jump. 5 times ahead from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are at number 6. That means 5 plus 1 equals to 6. Now in this 6 we have to add 9 more and have to jump 9 times ahead from 6. So let's jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we are at number 15. That means 5 plus 1 equals to 6 and 6 plus 9 equals to 15. The number comes 15. In these questions, the numbers are added in a different order, but the answer remains same because the same numbers are added. Now I'm going to do page number 61, adding 3 numbers. When we add 3 or more numbers, we look for groups of 10. For example, here is a question in which we add 3 numbers. As I said before, when we add 3 or more numbers, we look for groups of 10. So let's make 10. We add 4 into 6 to make 10. Now add 3 into 10. When 3 adds into 10, the number comes 13. Here is another question. In this question, we also add 3 numbers. Can you tell me which 2 numbers we add to make 10? Yes, we have to add 7 into 3 to make 10. Now in this 10, add 2. So when 2 adds into 10, the number comes 12. So the answer is 12. Let's do another. Which 2 numbers we add to make 10? Yes, we add 2 into 8 to make 10. Now in this 10, we have to add 3 more. So when 3 adds into 10, the number comes 13. So the answer is 13. Now do another. Now you tell me, in these 3 numbers, which 2 numbers we have to add to make 10? Do you know? Then tell me. Yes, we have to add 6 into 4 to make 10. Now in this 10, we have to add 7 more. So when 7 adds into 10, the number comes 70. That means the answer is 70. So students, that's all about today's lesson. Hopefully you understood. Now your homework is to attempt page number 60 and 61 on your book. Hope you all will do well. Thank you.